Greetings, beautiful souls. It's Casey Goldstar Gergini with the Healing Transmission, Heart Healing with Pink Lightning Dragons. Pink Lightning Dragons are cosmic pink fire dragons from Andromeda. They are absolutely magical to work with. If you ask them, they will place a pink lightning bolt of heart healing directly into your heart for heart opening and for deep, gentle, and powerful transformation of any heart trauma. Inviting in a pink lightning dragon is a wonderful way to connect with your inner child and to receive her cosmic healing frequencies deeply. Let's invite in a beautiful pink lightning dragon from Andromeda to be with you. This dragon is so beautiful. She truly is all heart. And you feel how in her presence, that really being in your heart, that being with your heart and opening your heart is so powerful. This dragon is so gentle and so loving, and she truly is the perfect balance of cosmic soul and earthly heart. She radiates the most gorgeous, shimmering cosmic pink fire. And you feel her connecting to you heart to heart. You feel how you are so divinely cherished, honored, and safe in the presence of this beautiful pink lightning dragon. And she invites you to either be seated with a very straight spine or to stand if possible. And if you can, remove socks and shoes, perfect. But otherwise, just having your feet very evenly connected to earth so you can really ground in, anchor in, and feel her powerful healing voltage. And taking your hands and your fingertips to your heart space, just beneath the collarbones, with a very long spine, feeling yourself very tall and your shoulders completely relaxed. Giving yourself a loving scan from head to toe as she shimmers her soft pink fire over and through you. She invites you to release stress from jaw, from neck and shoulders, from abdomen, lower back, or any place or space you're holding onto tension. Feeling your tension begin to unwind and gently dissolve in the loving presence of her healing light. Taking some inhalations in through nose and exhalations out through mouth, making an audible sound. Feeling the heat and the warmth of your exhalations. A few more just like this. One more. Feeling any stress rolling off your back and dissolving into the beautiful pink. Having the sense of standing in a field of incredible pink roses and cosmos, beautiful pink flowers for as far as the eye can see, all around you, helping your feet sink into earth and helping you feel so grounded and safe. And you feel a very gentle, magical sense of inner quiet, that hush in the moment before a lightning bolt strikes. And this is a truly healing lightning bolt, gentle and powerful, a lightning bolt of highest love. And if you are willing, Pink Lightning Dragon gently and smoothly places a tiny spark in your high heart that begins to flow and expand into white pink lightning. Warm, powerful, seismic, and deeply healing. This flame fans in your high heart, creating a flame of white, pink, exquisite higher love. You breathe in this beautiful flame as the lightning bolt does its work, flowing upwards in space through all of your upper chakras and down through each chakra. Feeling the love of this beautiful dragon for you and inviting that love to flow wherever it needs to in your heart. And you may feel yourself gently swaying or rocking side to side in a flowing motion with the power and the empowerment of this powerful lightning. Feeling and breathing love into each and every cell, and surrendering into a state of effortlessness, of deepest receptivity and inner sweetness. You see a shimmering pink elevator before you, and you step in to the elevator, and the elevator begins to gently flow down as you travel down with it, becoming more and more relaxed as we count from 9 to 1, 9, 8, 7, flowing downwards, 6, 5, 4, 3, into peace, becoming so completely relaxed. 2 and 1, stepping out of the elevator into a temple of pink healing light. The dragon herself has shrunk down, and she travels down with you on the lightning bolt through the elevator. The lightning bolt travels down into your heart, lighting up any blocks, hurts, wounds, or old scars, healing all with liquid love, the love of your heart, until it flows gently and powerfully. It is safe to feel love, and it is safe to receive love, beloved, says Pink Lightning Dragon. She lights up any hidden trauma in your heart and gently dissolves it. The lightning bolt travels down through solar plexus, giving you confidence in flowing golden pink to trust your worthiness, to receive love and give love equally. Beautiful pink flowing pink fire pours down into navel chakra, lighting up new and renewed possibility on your path of love, connecting to your soul group. It flows down into sacral chakra, bringing with it a warm breeze of delectable, silken, transcendent love. You feel your entire emotional body caressed with silken pink. This beautiful invitation creates sparks flowing into sacral chakra deeply. Each spark clears toxicity, resistance, blocks to receiving love, and any cords to discord, to density, or to the ghosts of past relationships. These beautiful sparks flow and travel wherever they need to, clearing any sense of lingering unworthiness or perceived failure on your path of love. Feel the ignition of incredible pink flowing into your root chakra, clearing fear of abandonment, lighting up pink kundalini. Love is always with you, beloved. Feel our love merging with yours, and feel the power of your kundalini flowing. The beautiful pink kundalini Shakti flows in a fountain of watery pink, flowing up and undulating all the way to high heart, into throat, third eye crown, dancing in brilliance through all of your upper chakras. Feel yourself sway and move with the kundalini flow, becoming the sacred dance of Shiva and Shakti. Feel the beautiful light flowing and expanding root chakra, flowing down through legs, pouring into soles of feet and into toes, giving your feet stability, grounding, and trust. Feel the pink cocooning you in waves of shimmering love. Feel your thoughts supported, soothed, and gently blown across your auric field and into the golden sun. As you stand in the pink temple, pink lightning dragon joins you there. You see your Earth Star chakra now ignited in sparkling pink, copper, silver mineral, earthly light, reformed, renewed, and expanded in the healing love. She lights up your earth path and purpose of highest love. Beautiful Archangel Aurora comes forward now in robes of shimmering, flowing sky, bright blue, Purple and pink radiate all around her. She shimmers like a living rainbow of love. She touches your palms, and you feel the cool, tingling pressure activating your palms as she gifts you with love alchemy, the ability to touch and transform all into love. You feel each of your chakras touched with this love and transforming and expanding. She asks you now what you wish her to touch with love, and you feel her flowing essence of healing air and rainbow light touching that which most needs it with love. Feel pink lightning dragon illuminating your path with a lightning bolt of highest possibility. Feel that path flowing to you now, changing timelines and transforming outcomes in alchemy of love. Feel the loving presence of Archangel Aurora with you as she places beautiful flowing robes of rainbow golden sun around you. Feel yourself deeply grounded and cocooned in a beautiful pink, silver, copper dragon egg of highest love. Feel yourself grounded. Feel yourself present. Flow in the healing light any way you need to merge with the spark of high heart consciousness, ready to be love in this moment. Namaste.